featuring matchy-match. Okay, so I know that there's people out there that are matchy-matchy people, and so this is a great use of different elements that they use that are all matching. So as you can see, they have granite, and there's a lot of granite in this house. And the granite is from this granite is from Brazil, and it has a lot of movement in it. And what I like about it is that they used it on the countertops, but they also used it as part of the backsplash, and then they carried it all the way up. So right above the vent hood, I don't know if you can see, but the granite stops there, and then they created the same look above with a mural. So this is actually painted on the wall to mimic the countertop movement and the movement of the granite and how it flows on the wall. But it looks very cohesive. It almost looks like wallpaper or like a big, huge slab of granite. And so this is very luxurious looking. It's definitely a statement piece. It's definitely matchy-matchy, but a good use of matchy-matchy. And I love it. I think it's very different, and I think it's very eye-catching because it in itself is going to be a focal point in your home. So this is a great way. A lot of times it's hard for people to sometimes pick a backsplash, and using the same countertop on the backsplash is also an option. It is more expensive because it is a slab of granite, but it does look great and it is a great option. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.